Hey everyone, I'm Mahi Rahimi. We're kicking off our new series on the book that defines modern AI.
In this first chapter, we're asking the big questions. What even is AI, and where did it all start?
Yeah, the book starts right there. When we all say AI, what are we actually talking about?
It's not just one thing. Turns out the field is split into 4 totally different goals. First up is thinking humanly. The idea here is to literally model how our own minds work.
Then you've got acting humanly, which is all about making machines that just behave like us.
The third approach, thinking rationally, uses pure, cold logic to try and build intelligent systems.
And finally, acting rationally. This is the big one for this book, creating agents that get the best results.
So how do you test acting humanly? Well, Alan Turing proposed his famous test way back in 1950. To pass, a machine needs some serious skills: language, memory, reasoning, and the ability to learn.
A tougher version even needs the machine to see and physically move around. So where did all this start?
Right, AI didn't just pop into existence. It's built on a foundation from so many different fields.
I mean, it pulls from philosophy, math, neuroscience, economics. The list just goes on and on.
And the history of AI itself? It's been a total roller coaster, with huge highs and some pretty tough lows.
It officially started in '56, got super exciting, hit a wall, and then boom! Big data changed everything.
Okay, so after all that, where are we now? What can AI actually do today?
One of the huge moments was in 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue beat the world chess champ Garry Kasparov.
And now AI is just everywhere. It's driving cars, filtering your spam, even planning military logistics. Which brings us back to this book's central theme, this whole goal of creating rational agents.
Building those agents is the name of the game. And the challenges? Well, that's what we'll tackle next time.